Hey y'all, this is BG Codes and I am bradgarropy. Welcome to tonight's stream. Little Friday stream. Got the tea going tonight. I'm trying to be a little bit healthier instead of having a Diet Coke, but the tea is hot. Running these end-to-end tests in continuous integration, specifically GitHub Actions, has been kicking my ass. I got it working properly to where like now I'm running all the tests in parallel on the same database just by being smart tests and just like assuming that the starter data is read-only. But now my playwright thing, whatever, that runs the database reset before isn't working right. So I gotta friggin' figure all that out. We'll get there. We'll get there. And you know what? If we don't, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's on fire, but it's fine. You know what I'm thinking? Because first of all, does this work? I don't think this is actually working right now. So we'll get it working locally again. So the idea is that we're running an exec. We don't need all this shit. Well, okay, no, let's. Yeah, those are not working. Oh, got a text from the wife. Oh, she's heading home. Okay. Yeah, those are not working. So exec isn't working very well. What about exec sync? We gotta get rid of this entire callback function. Okay, does this work? Because this is what was working for me previously. Yeah, that works. And then this is inherit is what I had here. So then we can see the output where it's like, hey, look, we're seeding, and then it kicks off. Now, it only 7 passed because I broke the test here. We'll run it to completion. I wonder if this is because this is async. Let's just to test this again. Yeah, this is the only thing we need to do. Did that just fail? Weird. It's taking a bit. Yeah, this is gonna fail. Restricted note is failing. Oh no, update note. And then I want the trace. Playwright trace needs to be retain on failure, I suppose. Let's check out the documentation for that. Select the trace. Yes. Can we? Use. Then where's trace? There it is. Okay. Record trace for each test. When test run passes, remove recorded trace. Record the trace on the first run of each test, but not for retries. And let's just put it on. See if we can get this to fail. Very. No, it's not going to fail anymore. Okay, I'll give it 3 more tries. There we go. Here's the failure. It's hot. Yeah, this test is definitely. There it is. Okay, delete note this time. Okay, we signed in. And now we're trying to click the create button. So let's download the trace. Is here, and we'll open it up. Playwright, show trace, and then we'll drop the trace in there and see what's going on. Is there a... I'm probably not like waiting. What if I put a quick expect there? Or like wait for that page to show up? Isn't there like a way to do that in Playwright? Like Playwright page transition. I think it's like a wait for or something. Wait for selector, wait for load state. I thought there was something else. What's the default? Default's to load. Okay, maybe we do that. This is on the delete. No, it's in the notes spec. In the delete note, and then after we sign in, wait for that. What's the format of this? Where is... There it is. Can we get... Okay. A glob pattern. I like glob. Okay. Maybe this fixes it? Where do we have sign-in clicks? 5 of them. So we've got expect. There's no expect there. I feel like we probably ought to add these. I got to make sure this actually works. This is going to fail. Now this is interesting. It failed on view. Yeah. Spent 5 seconds. That doesn't seem right. Oh. I'm not logged in here. Why are we even clicking sign in? It's probably navigating. Yeah. We don't need that. Then create node. We don't need that either. And then update node. Don't need that either. You're going to get redirected automatically because you're not logged in. Same thing with delete node. Same thing with restricted nodes. Okay, that should fix that, hopefully. I think we were causing a page navigation immediately. Just bad. I feel it that this is going to be more reliable. And all the auth ones are starting at home, so we do need that. Okay, I've run this enough times for my liking. What's the, collect traces, run on dev server without remix tools. Yeah, go to my reminders, add that there. Okay, so what did we do here? Always collect traces, and then here. Didn't change anything. Notes, we made this more reliable. Remove unneeded page trans. All right, we'll get that pushed, and then we'll get to the meat of the problem here. Nothing is working in CI. All right, let's see it. He's pretty good. And that previous test did actually finish, oddly enough. If I go back, 8 minutes. It did run it. And I don't like retries. If the damn test fails, the damn test fails. Like, I'm sorry. Sit around and waste my time. All right, let's see it. See, it feels like it's stuck here. I guess it turns out it's not. I don't know. Got no retries in there. This is taking forever. We need to get these retries out. I guess we're just gonna sit here and watch. Is the next one running yet? Just starting. Hmm. Still sitting there. I don't like it. Did it barf out all the logs at the end? I suppose this one's the one to be watching. Guess we're just gonna sit here. Okay, so what's left in this project? This is pretty much it. I wanted to add a couple like easy things, like the no erasable syntax stuff for TypeScript. Probably need to go through and update all the packages again. Shit's already out of date. Bcrypt got a major version bump while I was doing this, which is weird to me. Oh no. That's it. Maybe make some decision docs. Maybe try swapping Prisma for Drizzle just for funsies. But really, I need to get it hosted and online. That's what I need to do. I need to check out Terso, and I need to check out Fly. Those are the two places I'm considering, mostly because Fly hosts SQLite databases, so does Terso. Or I'm literally just going to put it up on a DigitalOcean droplet and be done. Still working. I wish I understood how they ran. Because mine does not seem to take that long. Maybe it's because we only have one worker in CI. So what does it look like when it runs on one worker? Does it go one at a time? Yeah. So if it times out, it's going to be a bitch. This other one should have already finished. There we go. Okay, so it fails. Okay, port. Go, let's open it up. And like everything failed. Unexpected server error. It, hate to say it, but I think we need to run the shit in dev mode because, to be honest, I don't have enough information. Where are the console logs? Remix app notes. It's not telling me enough information to matter. And of course, nothing is failing here. Try this again. Let's show the report. Everything failed. Unauthenticated didn't. Okay. Database didn't. Unexpected server error. I think I need some logs to try to figure this out. So this would be in the sign in part. And now we got no retries, so this will go faster. This debugging cycle is brutal. And it's just so much waiting. So what could possibly be going wrong? Well, I mean, we've got a real error, which is good. How are we running the app? We are building it. I don't know. I think at the end of the day, if we ran this on dev, we could actually see the errors, which would be really helpful. And we just need to figure out how to get Remix dev tools to not show up. Is there an environment variable that's set? Like vtest? No. Ooh, parallelism. Okay, failed already. All right. Okay, looks like we've got no logs there. So we can download the report and go from there. Nothing in the console, bro. We got traces on, we got max failures. Let's make this npm run dev. And then in Vite, we'll just ignore the dev tools for now. Grasping at straws here, just trying to figure out what's going on. Fucking lint failed? Why? Oh. Okay. Who cares? Okay, so Remix is trying to say I shouldn't be throwing an error. I was just lazy when I wrote all that. I should be throwing a response. Then they're going to give me better. Build step is unnecessary now. Now we're running seed. Secret key must be provided. Okay. Session server. Session secret. Okay, does... I defined this environment variable in GitHub. I'm sure of this. Okay, I'm gonna go to just my face right now. At least we know what the error is, thank God. Actions. No, secrets and variables, actions. Session secret, it's right there. Oh. I'm reading about. So I only have a repository secret setup, which I'm passing both of these through in the CI file. Here. Can I just put it in the environment like that? Like, that's my hope. That could be it. Major breakthrough if it is. This should fix literally everything. I want to know, can you have multiple workers? Yeah. Okay. It failed on the one where I expected an error. 12 passed. We did it. This is it. That was the whole entire thing. I wasn't passing the environment variable through. Oh, thank God. Okay. So in this case, we can put that back. What else do we need to fix? Let's go to the pull request. Yeah, we need the secret. Max failures. Yeah, I don't know if I love that setting. Bring the workers back. Why is CI 1? I think I just want to drop that. No, I guess I kind of like max failures. What else? We want the trace on. We don't want npm run dev. We want npm start. We'll get to run dev in a second. Then everything should pass. Setup is good. You can get rid of the console logs in auth.server. All right. Oh, okay, this should be it. Everything should work now. I'm going to be so happy because this was such a big hurdle to get over. 67 commits. This is how long I've been trying at this. This is ridiculous. Come on now. Come on now. This is the moment of truth. Email. Email is just a bunch of failed PR runs. Okay. Downloading the browsers. Come on. I wish they would stream these logs. I don't like it that you can't see anything. 13 passed. We did it. Oh my god, we did it. It took forever. Okay, let's review what we did. We included the environment variable. No retries. We will not have flaky tests in mind. They will work. We got the setup there. We're only Chrome now. We know the tests are fine. That's it. Okay. Now we can bump the version and stuff. And we need to update the change log. God, we're in March already. So this is what? Is this the full Playwright integration? No, I already had Playwright. This is just adding real tests. Add end-to-end test coverage for authentication and notes. Sounds right. Got 116 there. We'll duplicate that. Oops. We'll go 16 there, and we should be done. This is just pumping version. All right, one last test run, then we're good. There's still like a couple things I want to clean up, don't get me wrong. That's probably going to be off camera. I still think Prisma needs a way to run this from the client in JavaScript. So now we're saying if I've got the app here, I can just say npm run test e2e. It's going to reset everything. It's going to start the app. It's going to do all that stuff. We all green? Almost. We're waiting on that end to end. But it's, I mean, outside of downloading the browsers, which is like, holy shit, how do you cache that? You know what I mean? That's pain. Nice. I don't like how we have so many of these. Oh shit. It's a warning though in my case. What version do I have of cache? This is in setup node. Okay, whatever. We'll figure that out. Merge it, dude. Branches auto deleted. 0016 is going out. Okay, I can mark that done. We did that. We did that. I do think we probably need to mock Prisma during our unit test. And we can't test forgot password because email. I'm not getting into all that. Okay, this is good. And I do, maybe we do test production version. That'll be, or test with production build and do better error messages. That's it. Okay. And one last thing I need to do, I'm checking my goals for the week. Goals for the week. Are crushed. All right. Yo, that's it. I did what I needed to do. There's more work to be done, but I don't feel like doing it now. I just crossed the biggest hurdle that I had with this. It all came down to a dumb environment variable. Ain't that the truth? And a lack of visibility onto the back end side. I didn't have logs there. And honestly, I don't know how to make that happen. Got to figure that out. Anyways, thanks for watching this stream. It was a tedious one. We're gonna get back to the fun stream soon, because when this template is done, we start building apps. That's the stuff. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.